Hi everybody, it's Charisma of Charisma's Corner, and we are in the little pink barn again, and we are working on Dazzle, block 5, and the fabric that we use is called Vibe by QT Fabrics, and it is one of their new basics. It's a beautiful, beautiful line with a variety of color, and we've used a lot of them in this. So let's get going and we'll get to block 5. We are halfway through the quilt and it works out so great. Simple block, and we're gonna have fun today. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our big white square, and we're doing the, I can't remember this, the magic flying geese method, but we take our squares and they're already marked with the line, and we go ahead and line them up like this, and you see this continuous line goes all the way through. That is exactly right. So now we're going to sew on both sides of that line all the way through the square. Okay, and now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and cut on that line. Okay, and now we're going to press these open. Okay, now that we have these two sort of heart-shaped pieces, we're going to take these two other squares and we're going to go ahead and put them in the corner, and again we have the line. We're going to sew on both sides of that marked line. Okay, and now we're just going to go ahead and cut on that marked line again. Okay, and now we have our flying geese units, which are going to be the star points for our star. And I'm going to go ahead and press those. Now we're ready to go on to the next unit, and in that we have some big triangles that you've cut and we have some little ones. And how we're going to do this is we're going to go ahead, and you want to make sure that you have these facing the same orientation, the background and the pinwheel color, and you want to go ahead and sew those together. And then sew this to the bigger triangle. So we have that kind of quarter square triangle unit. And then just slide that right in there, and we're going to go ahead and sew that pinwheel unit together. Okay, and now we can start putting our whole block together. This whole pinwheel kind of within a star. Okay, and we can start sewing our rows together. Okay, and I'm going to press the top and bottom row to the points, and then I'll press the inner row to the outside, so then they should nestle together. And you can always pin them if that makes you feel more comfortable. Okay, and here is our block. I'm going to go ahead and press that. And here is block number 5, which I forgot to point out in the beginning where it is in the quilt, which are these corner blocks right here. So it's kind of hard to see on my design wall because it's not huge for the camera angle, but they are in the corners right here. So you have 4 of those blocks. You should have all of the confidence to get these done, and I can't wait to see you for number 6. Please join me next month, and until then, have a great day. Bye.